We'll guide you through how to do music transition in Filmora. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial to learn how to create smooth and professional audio transitions using Wondershare Filmora. Many beginners struggle with harsh audio cuts, so they need simple guidance to blend music properly. To begin this tutorial, make sure you have downloaded Wondershare Filmora on your device so you can follow each step smoothly. Then double-click the application to open it, and wait until the interface is fully loaded. After it opens, select New Project to create a new project and start with a clean workspace. Next, click File in the top left corner, then choose Project Settings to configure your project properly before editing. Adjust the project size according to your needs, then click OK to confirm your setup and continue. After that, click Import, select 2 audio or music files that will be used, then click Open to bring them into the media library. Drag and drop the imported audio files into the timeline section so you can begin arranging them. Next, in the timeline, adjust which part of the first music will be used by trimming or positioning it as needed. Then do the same for the second music and place both in sequence so they connect properly. Next, open the Transitions menu and scroll down on the left side to find more options. Then open the Audio Transition section to access effects designed for sound. Try several options such as constant gain, constant power, logarithmic fade, and exponential fade to compare how each transition affects the audio blending. Then drag and drop exponential fade as an example transition between the first and second music clips. On the right side, you can adjust the settings, such as the transition duration, for example, set it to 2 seconds, and the transition position, for example, use overlap. Adjust the length of the second music again so it matches your desired timing. Then add a motion background as an example to make the preview more visually interesting. Click play in the preview to listen to the result clearly and ensure the transition sounds smooth and natural between both tracks without any abrupt cuts or unwanted noise issues.